Michigan. Kayaking the Grand River in Michigan.
6:55, we're at Benton Road. Gonna head 19.6 miles to Thompson Park in Portland today. We got a trail going right down there to the river. We are on the river passing Benton Avenue, heading to Thompson Park. The river is pretty slow today, not much current and a lot of weeds. Catalpa tree. There's a really nice current along the edge of the river. The rest of the river is solid weeds all the way to the other bank. There's the current. And that's a massive island on our left we're passing. That water is crystal clear this morning. I am bogged down in the weeds. A couple more islands. Lots of islands on this section of the river. Just saw some deer crossing the river up ahead. Fish are jumping in these weeds. Got some rocks under here. Watch out for the rocks. There's a basswood. 8 o'clock, we came up to Judy's Bend. Says, "Please stop and enjoy." Dedicated to Judy Wright. This is Judy's Bend, and there's the footbridge. Approaching the footbridge. Almost 4 miles done today. Got a decent current in here. This is a scenic little stretch here. We've got our own little channel on the side of the river from the weeds. Everything else is weeds. I'm getting stuck. And there's a house on our left. We've seen very few houses on this trip so far today. Very wilderness experience today. There's Charlotte Highway. Getting out of the weeds and the river's widening out. We got a big island here. There's a fisherman over to the right. Lots of deer this morning. Bald eagles. Diabetes is terrible. The water has become stagnant, deep and stagnant. And I just got a Catalpa speciosa legume, and I'm very hungry. There's a cool looking Catalpa. It's 10:03, we're taking a little break to stretch our legs, and there's a freezing cold spring coming out of the bank. Looks like some kind of animal trail going in there. We are back in the weeds. Can barely even move in this stuff. Hanging along the edge of the river in the current. It's been a gorgeous day so far, and we've been able to stay in the shade. Uh-oh, rock. I just hit a big submerged rock. They're everywhere. There's so many tires on the bottom of this river. It's crazy. It's 11:22. We're still cruising along in this current. There's a very tame great blue heron. Little bit of civilization. Haven't seen much of that on the river today. There's Brian. It's 12 o'clock, taking a break. This river is crystal clear. This is the clearest I've ever seen this river. There's some clams down there. Coming into some houses. Approaching Kent Street, which goes into Portland. Kent Street. Made it to Highway 96. I see Thompson Field. This is our last segment of the river, except for Eastmanville to Lake Michigan. 1 o'clock, Thompson Park. There's our truck right over there. Here we are, Brian. 1:02. Made it. Exactly. 6 hours. Brian, we made it. 19.5 miles from Benton Road to Thompson Park in Portland today. There's nice current along the edge of the river, outside the weeds. River is super low and warm, very clear. And we've only got one section of the Grand River to do now. That's from Eastmanville to Lake Michigan. Other than that, we've done the whole river from Grand Lake.
Yeah,
So,
wet smooth today.
Yeah, very smooth.